Today we are playing with some toys.
Okay, what toys do you have?
We have some dogs from Paw Patrol and some fruits and with this big giant microwave, and we are playing with this microwave, and for fun we have put a jelly bear on it. Let's start playing.
Okay, start playing. Show us your microwave.
This is my jumbo microwave.
Yeah.
Oh. Let's cook something.
Okay, nice microwave. Can you turn it on?
Yes, I can.
Nice.
Let's cook some bear.
Gummy bear, right?
Yes, gummy bear. Opening it. It's so fun and sticky. Yay, let's cook it. Oh,
It's sticky.
yes. Sticky paste. Now let's put this in the microwave.
All right. You can use your both hands.
Okay. Now it's open.
Oh, nice.
Now let's put our gummy bear here. Put it in the first this.
Is the gummy bear food ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Now it's open. Let's get our gummy bear here.
Show us your gummy bear. Oh, it's nice.
Oh, it's sticky. Now let's put this on the plate. Now let's cook some fruits.
Okay. What dogs you have? Which pets? It looks like Paw Patrol.
Yes, this is Chase. This is Marshall. And this is Rocky. And this is Zuma. And this is Rubber. These are all the doggies I have from Paw Patrol.
Very nice.
Now let's cook some fruits. This is so giant. Let's make a kiwi. 2 kiwis. Now this one. No, this carrot. Now let's put this in the microwave. Okay. Oh, looks delicious.
Yes. Very nice. Can you give it to me?
Yes.
In the plate, please, with gummy bear. Yes.
Here you go.
Looks nice. Yum 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 yum. Very tasty, very tasty. I've eaten them all. Just your gummy bear is left.
Now we will cook. Now we will make a apple and with a
Looks like you don't have enough space.
Yeah.
Nice toys you have, Nivedita.
Now it's done. Looks delicious.
Nice, you cook great food.